Hello from my English world. Ready to learn something interesting? Today's mini lesson is about 3 useful phrasal verbs that all use out. In phrasal verbs, sometimes the preposition or particle has its own meaning. One of the meanings of out is discover or understand something. We use work out and figure out is more American, by the way, to mean find the answer to something or understand how to do something. You often find the answer by trying different things or by thinking about the problem. For example, can you work out how to turn on the TV? We need to work out how to get to the station. I didn't know what to do, but I worked it out. We use find out to mean discover a piece of information. Usually we use this when we need to ask someone for the information or look on the internet or in a book. We usually use find out with a clause like find out that, find out how, or find out if, or without object. Can you find out if we need to buy tickets in advance? I don't know the answer to your question, but I can find out. Let's review. I'm leaving 3 sentences here and will ask you to change the sentence so that they include find out, work out, or figure out. Leave your answers in the comments and I'll review them. See you next time!